Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to install IntelliJ IDEA on Windows 11. First thing first, go to the official IntelliJ IDEA website. Click the Windows Download button. Now open the Downloads folder and confirm that the exe file downloaded successfully. Double-click the exe file, then click Next to initiate the setup screen. Select where it should be installed, then browse to change the folder and click Next. Now to select installation options, you can choose to create desktop shortcut or update path variable. Check the option you want, then click Next. Now click Next again and start the installation. Wait for the progress bar to complete, and after that, click Run IntelliJ IDEA. The splash screen will appear as the IDE launches. Click Confirm to accept the user agreement, and now you can use your 30 days free trial. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.